Aussie pets, so we're going to be making a series and drawing. Can you guess which one we're going to start with? If you guessed frog, you are right. Okay, let's get into what you'll need and then how to draw. First of all, you'll need a pencil, obviously. Then we have this black marker to outline. We have some oil pastels. You don't have to use them if you don't want to. We have this green gel pen, and we have these two green markers and this green marker. Okay, let's just get started with the drawing of the frog. Okay, let's start drawing. Step 1, big eyes. As shown. Do it exactly like this. And some circles. Step 2, the top of the head. It's simple. All that is kind of like a love heart shape. That's kind of what it is. And then a line there. Step 3, the body. It's simple again. You just do like the end of a love heart. So it's a love heart there, and then the end of a love heart without a point. And step 4, the legs. Just circles as shown. It's this easy. We're done. Okay, now let's color. So we're going to be using our markers now. So we're done coloring in. This is going to be a series of the Aussie pets. And next we're going to be drawing the koala. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and comment down below what pets you want us to draw from the egg next time. Bye!